The night before I go fishing, I always make a plan, and I imagine everything in my head, where I'll go, what I'll do. I see it all happening step by step. The next day, I go out and I try to make it happen, just like I pictured it. In reality, if I can achieve something half as good, I feel like I've had a victory. Morning, boys and girls. Well, today we're fishing Western Port. We've got the boat hooked up. Yesterday's chapter has closed, unveiling a canvas of endless possibilities today. The water is our majestic arena. Unleash the warrior within. Down the channel's end, the marker comes into view. I'm torn. Should I turn left towards Silver Leaves, punching through waves and fishing wind against tide, but with good odds that we'll catch? Or should I steer right towards the top end, where calm and comfort awaits? The choice has been made. Top end it is. Feels like we're holding. I'll just let out some more. It's a bit too windy for where we want to go, but we've made a choice. We're gonna try and catch a big fish today. That's the plan. Big dogs.
Big rat dogs.
Big dogs. I gotta go. I'm on.
You're on, right?
Yep. Sir. On a little Jimmy. Little Jimmy.
Guy.
Still be alright.
Green. So red. How red it is.
Yep.
Stunning.
187s. There you go.
It's so
Beautiful little
beautiful
fish.
Color.
It's a beautiful fish. Oh.
What happened?
We lost him in the water. Trevally is what caught the fish. That's a snapper. Got him. Oh.
What happened?
He bit me off. Oh, look at that. Bitten off. I don't know what it was, but mine's all serrated.
A little tapper.
Still good.
Such a light rod.
It's a lucky stick. It's going to get christened by someone else other than me.
This is the best eating one.
Bruno will love
wow,
that.
it's like fluoro orange.
The most exciting moment to capture is when a snapper starts to pull on the line, causing the fishing rod to bend sharply. This action is known as a buckle. While Izzy and I were discussing this, we'd noticed that the wind had come down. And since I had 3 batteries for my drone, we wondered if we could use the drone to film this thrilling moment.
You did not come off. Still be lingering?
Nah. So we just had the drone up and
Home point updated.
My luck.
and we caught like the buckle on camera. I don't know, I reckon I had the camera on it, we'll see.
It was wild.
But
Like
it was-
actually wild.
Yeah, wild as, and the fish come off the hook. I'll be throwing them in the bin when I get home. I'm only joking, that's part of fishing. You occasionally lose a fish, doesn't matter what hook
So
you use.
that would be cool footage if we got
know.
that. That would be
I
off
know.
its head.
Yep. Yep. If first you don't succeed, try again. Times.
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track. I looked round and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating in my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart.
So funny.
You've been thunder.
Could be a snaps.
Is it? Hopefully it's not a rain.
Snapper.
Yes, it's a snapper! Definitely a snapper. Yeah. Alright, I'll call you back. Put the video on. Okay.
That's how it's done, boys.
Good. Beautiful even.
It is beautiful.
Stunning even.
Oh, he's a good one.
Stunning. Beautiful. Where
He's
are
not
you?
bad, is he? Oh,
You reckon you control it in that shot?
yeah,
We
I'll
won
control.
that one? God, have you got a ray on this one? This is stuff. Good fish?
Yeah.
Can't even want that.
Let's get that net, brother.
It's on my side. Yeah, 1 sec, I'll let it go.
Just get the net.
Oh, I've got it.
Might even be. Oh, it's a good fish.
Nah, it's a snap. Oh, he's angry.
He's good.
Oh, yeah.
He feels good.
Do you see him?
He's decent.
Yeah. Bloody hell. Oh. Oh yeah. That's good fit. Oh,
Whoa.
in the face.
Look at it. He's a beast.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. It's been a really fantastic day. We've had a great bite out here. We're going to fish on into the night. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay awesome and good luck